So on this level, because every verse has a different level, there's the Adhyatmika level, Adhibhautika, Adhidevika. So on Krishna's level, with his parishads, this verse can be seen in that way. But this is Bhagavad Gita, and this is spoken for the Bada Jivas. And Arjuna is taking the role for our benefit. But the Acharyas are showing us it's happening on this level also. Because Krishna is functioning on many levels. He's functioning on his heart level. And he's functioning on his internal level. He's always in Vrindavan. Radha Parthasarthi. How can you have Radha Parthasarthi? Because Parthasarthi is always with Radha. Prabhupada answered to Chitananda. He said, sometimes Radharani is outside Krishna's heart. Prakat manifests, and sometimes inside. Parthasarthi, Krishna's in Kurukshetra, but he's inside. Radharani's inside. So, on Krishna's level, he's giving them a sidelong glance, and he's giving them the wisdom, and then they figure out how to, that gives them intelligence, how to steal, in other words, how to sneak out of their houses and meet him in the Kunj at night. Now, for the devotees who are chanting the holy name, or chanting Nam Sankirtan, then Krishna gives intelligence. And he makes our insignificant desires, he makes our material desires become insignificant.